budget for success. Woo! And today we've got good vibes only, good vibes only. Come on, baby, come on. We got good vibes only. We only have good vibes. Woo! Yes, we got good vibes because you see it. Do. You see it, you see it. Yes, we're about to stuff money in our Paris calendar. So let's get started. All right, let's see how much money we have to work with. We are also going to stuff bling too. We got to work on bling at the same time. So we have $293. So we got 10, 15, 17, 19, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, half 27, half 28, half 29. So that's 291, 2 and 3, 293. Woohoo! Yes, that's what we have to work with today. I apologize now if you do hear music playing in the background. My husband is playing Janet Jackson, y'all, and I don't dare ask him to turn Janet down. I will not be successful. I know it. Okay, so we are in Avril. Oh, I should learn my months in French. Mayo, June, Julio. Oh, y'all, I'm slaughtering it. I need my I need Duolingo to help me with that. But anyway, this is the Sorbonne Chapel and Square. This is a university. All right, let's see how much we are going to save. All right, we have $37. We will need to keep track. 37 plus 31. These are big numbers. Woo! Plus 34. We're at 102. And plus 32 is $134. So I brought 120, 30, only had $3. So 135. So I brought 135. And this is my travel fund. I've already taken money out during cash condensing. So this money, this $500 is in the bank. So y'all, there's $1 in here. I think I'm gonna take it out. Yes, I am. By the way, if you're gonna do a bank, do one you can open. Here's $1. So it was 134 and I'm putting in 135. Yes. So there's 500, 600. I broke the bank. So 500, 600, 20, 40, 60, 75, 80. So $680 is in the France calendar. So this money is going to France. Yes, it is. All I did was take a regular calendar and I got some scratch offs and stuck them on there with some over numbers that I wrote with a marker. Anyone could do a savings challenge like this. Well, you do have to get stickies, but you don't have to cover it. You just write numbers on the calendar and save. And it could be any number you want. Small, large, whatever. Okay, we are done with the France calendar. Now, we got bling. We got bling. Okay. So y'all, if you're new to my channel, I don't know what I'm saving this money for, but these are these beautiful scratch-offs from S&C Budgets, and you actually could put the money in here, but I'm doing that with the France, and it's complicated putting the money in and out of those envelopes. So we are just saving the money in this envelope, and once we scratch them off, we put them there. So look at these are all the ones that I have already scratched off. I'm quite proud of this stack here of challenges that I have already scratched off. Yeah. So we have saved a total of, per my tracker, $827. I never asked her how much these came to, which was a mistake on my part because I have been doing this for a long time. So we scratched off 15 and stopped. So let's see. Now we got 5. So 5 plus 10 is 15. All right. What's the last one? Oh, man. Another 15. It's $30. $30. Okay. So there we go. $30 in here. So we have now saved a total of $57 in cash. 20, 40, 55, 57. And then we have in the bank 800. My goodness. My goodness. I'm going to have fun when it's time to allocate the funds. Don't know where I'm going to allocate it to, but I will figure it out. All right. Put this in here. We have scratched it off. Put this back into bling. Bling, 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 bling. All right. Now, my final cash stuffing is I wanted to finish. This is my year. I guess it's my year ahead, whatever ahead I want to call it. But I also have France in here. And so I wanted to finish this savings challenge if I could. Maybe not. So 5, 10, 15. So this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So that's 75 right there. So 75 and that's $95. So we got 50, 70, 80, 95. Yay! We have money left over for savings challenges. 50, 70, 80, 95. So let's see. We're going to color this. That's not the right color. I don't even know why I keep those because they don't show up on laminate. Maybe because they just look pretty. When you see the colors, you go, oh, look at all the pretty colors. All right. So 5, 10, 15, 20. And then, yeah, that's right. 20 plus 20, 75 is 95. I can do that in my math. In my head. I can do that in my math. All right, let's go to our trusty dusty tracker and see what we have here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. This placeholder money is from Ben, as if you would know with the cute birds. So that's 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 plus 400 plus, let's see, 100, 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 173 is $4,573. $4,573. So $4,573. I do have 27 cents in the bank. Minus 4,000. Yep, that is accurate. So, tell me in the comments if you were watching my videos when I saved like my first money in France. It was like a savings challenge I had, and I maybe put $100, $200 in. If you were here and saw that video when I saved my first $102, let me know, because I'm going to send you a freebie. But you have to really be honest. If you weren't around making comments at that time, I'm going to know you weren't there. But the point I'm making is, if you start saving, it doesn't matter what amount, but just start saving something, that money will add up quickly. And you will, you know, be extremely surprised and pleasantly surprised and happy because you're getting towards your goal. So if you have a goal and you think it's too far off, just start saving for it. It may take a while. I've been saving for France for almost a year, not quite. And I still have a long way to go, and I'm not sure how I'm going to get it pulled off by 2025, but don't worry about it. We're just going to keep saving. We're going to be like Dory. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Let's get to our goal. Okay, the rest of this money is going into my savings challenges. So I got 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. $34 for me in the savings challenge. Okay, that's all I have for now. Thank you guys for joining me. I hope I inspired you to start saving. Grab an envelope and put $1 in there and say on the front of the envelope where you want to go. Rio de Janeiro, Fiji, I don't care, Bahamas, whatever. Write it on the envelope and start putting money in it. And it doesn't matter how long it takes you. Just keep putting money in it and make a plan. Make a plan. All right. Thank you for joining me, and I appreciate all the new subscribers to my channel. I appreciate all that everyone has done to promote my channel and help my channel grow. And I've just had so much fun posting videos and saving money with you guys. So if you like this video and you come back for more, please like, comment, and subscribe to Budget for Success. Woo! Bye for now, guys. Love you.